Have you ever wondered how some people come up with video ideas for their YouTube channel and you're stuck looking at a blank page? I've been there, but don't worry, I got you. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you my 5 easy tricks to come up with 4 videos a week so you never run out of video ideas. And make sure to stay till the very end to find out the best video to use on your channel trailer to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch time. What's up, navigators? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany Day, and this is Navigating YouTube, where I help content creators like you grow on YouTube with simple strategies that work. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any new tips. And leave me a comment down below and tell me what your next video topic idea will be about. Okay, so the first thing is probably one of the most important if you want to keep your audience happy. That is to see what type of videos your target audience is asking for, also known as polling your audience. You can do this by asking your viewers to leave a comment at the start of your video, kind of like I did with this one when I told you to comment on your next video topic. Some people do it at the end, but I find you get way more responses at the beginning because less people are likely to click off right away and fewer people make it to the end of your video. Now, if you're watching this as a beginner and maybe you don't have an audience yet, you can definitely borrow from your neighbor, also known as polling another creator's audience. Now, don't go steal people's audience, but look at other creators in your niche and check their comment section to see what their audience is saying. Have a few of them ask the same question over and over again, and can you make a video on it? It's kind of key you want to do that. Growing a YouTube channel is all about making videos an audience wants to see, so doing research on those who already watch the platform and see what they're asking for is a great place to start. Now, if you're liking these tips so far, make sure to check out our Navigating YouTube Success Roadmap to help you define and understand the analytics that are really important to grow on YouTube. Link in the description box below. Okay, tip number 2 is by far my favorite, and that is to do a brain dump. Sometimes I have a ton of really good ideas in my head all day long, and then at the end of the day when I go to write them all down later, I can't think of a single one. Give this video a thumbs up if you can totally relate to that. So to avoid losing all of those creative video topic ideas, I take 10 minutes a day, turn off any distractions, grab a pen and paper, and just write down anything that's on my mind. The key to a successful brain dump is to not overthink it. A lot of what you write down won't even have to do with YouTube, but it'll allow you to clear your head and have a better workflow, and you'll find yourself being way more productive and really surprised what ends up on that paper. My last brain dump consisted of what I wanted for dinner, a reminder to clean out my cat's litter box, and somewhere on that page was a video idea about how SEO doesn't really matter. That's a hint for you to subscribe so you don't miss that video coming up. Okay, so tip number 3 is to look to see what's trendy. You can do this by going to YouTube's trending page and see what videos are there. Just make sure to keep it within your niche. You don't want to cover K-pop if you're like a tech channel. Now, the problem I find with this is trends die fast. So to get good results, I usually suggest getting a video up within no more than 24 hours of it hitting the trending page, especially as a new or a small YouTuber. Now, to get a little bit of a head start, you can check things like Twitter, online news sites for your niche, or gossip sites that cover your niche. Make sure you're subscribed or you get notifications somehow from those sites so you can be one of the first to know new information, and then have a very fast video making turnaround. Okay, so tip number 4 is similar to 3, but I find it's not as stressful, and that's trend forecasting. I find this works best on things like annual events such as holidays, conferences, or even live events. I usually try to push out that type of content 4 to 6 weeks before the event is happening, such as my Valentine's Day gift guide that was published at the end of January, and then my Father's Day gift guide was published at the end of May. Now, a really good tip for conferences like VidCon or even state fairs or concerts, if you can't attend those and make actual footage and you want to get that information out the 4 to 6 weeks before, do videos that get people excited. So cover things like what happened last year, what were some really exciting things. If you went last year, what's some tips that you can give that person, and excite them by letting them know what to expect this year, such as lineups or guest speakers. Okay, so last tip before I give you the best video to use as your channel trailer, and that is to see what people are searching for online using Google or YouTube's autocomplete feature. Now, to do this, you do have to have some type of idea of a keyword you want to target, or maybe a video topic you already thought of, but I find this is the best place to start when starting a YouTube channel. So for example, on this channel, I knew I wanted to target new YouTubers, and most of them are looking for tips on starting a YouTube channel. So I literally put starting a YouTube channel into the search bar on YouTube, and I let YouTube come up with the rest of my video ideas, such as starting a YouTube channel on a phone, starting a YouTube channel on a broke budget, even my what I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. Which brings me to that channel trailer tip. So most people use that channel trailer as like a commercial or like a welcome to my channel or something about them, but I highly recommend against this, and I say use your best piece of content. Now, I find those about me type videos really work well when you already have an audience elsewhere. Like if you have a huge Twitter platform or you have a huge audience on a blog or maybe on Instagram, and you're just kind of bringing them over to YouTube and you're letting them know what to expect there, that's a good place to start. But when you're just starting out on YouTube, nobody really knows who you are, and so although it's intriguing to find out what this new channel is about, it's not really going to intrigue me to click because I don't know what you're going to be able to do for me. So the best thing you want to do when starting out is show them your knowledge in your niche, show them your personality, and make sure it's a highly searched piece of content, which is why I did the 5 things I wish I knew before starting a YouTube as mine, and that has gained me the most subscribers so far on this brand new channel. I already knew placing myself into this niche with a lot of big players with 0 subscribers, I needed to let people know straight from the gate that, hey, this channel's new, but I already have another channel and I know what I'm talking about. This video also allowed me to show my personality when I was talking about my personal experience, and at the same time it has gained me the most subscribers and views so far on this channel. Your channel trailer should also change as your channel starts to grow to always reflect your best piece of work. So let me know in the comments below what your channel trailer currently is and if you need to go change that to a more high valued piece of content. But for more simple strategies to grow on YouTube, you can go ahead and watch this video here about what we can learn from Jenna Marbles leaving YouTube. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications. Get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.